talk quite a bit about cyber preparedness, preparing for the eventual cyber attack, because every business is vulnerable to it. We're a business also, and we eat our own cooking. We plan to prepare just like any other business, because we believe that's the best protection against a potential cyber attack. And we take that way of doing things and we apply that for our clients as well, showcasing that we are doing the same things and we're doing it on a much more deep level. Because I want clients to be confident about hiring us, that we live by the same rules as the way that we apply for our clients.